Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll discuss the power sharing chapter. Or in this chapter, we'll discuss about the example of Belgium and Sri Lanka. First, we'll discuss what is the power sharing. Means the power share. When we share our power to other, that is known as the power sharing. In simple example, if we take the example from our school, school is the good model for the power sharing. How do we share the power? Principal sir share the power among the different organs. Which are the different organs where the power shares inside the school? Inside the school, suppose if you have any doubt related to examination, so you will consult with the examination department. So power share with the examination department. If you have any doubt, concern, if you have any issues related to your house, so you will consult with your house master, house associate. So this is the another form of power sharing. If you have any issues related to your games or sport period, you will discuss to your physical teachers, PTA sir. If you have any dispute related to the computer library regarding the any subject, you will consult the different concerned teacher. So this is the form of power sharing where power is shared among the different organizations. So school is the good example of power sharing there. If you have any issues related to classes, so you will discuss to your class teacher regarding the sitting arrangement, regarding any disturbance, whatever. Okay. So this is the form of power sharing, where the power shares. What are the benefit of this power sharing? Through this power sharing, many times one person unable to handle all the issues, all the different responsibility. So when power share among the different organizations, different organs, so they become a good for such institution, such nation, और many times they feel their self dignity, respect उनको भी अच्छा लगता है कि हमें power दे रखा है. But after consent of such person, they may be use their power, sort out the students' problem. So this is the example of power sharing from school. Take another one example of power sharing from your family. हर family में power sharing होता है. Suppose anyone discussion related to your whatever item should be made inside the home, your father will discuss to your mother. In your family, head of the family will be your grandfather. So you know grandfather has the more power compared than the others. So like these are the example of power sharing. If you want to discuss, if you want to such concern issues like a money to related, if you want to move anywhere, so you will discuss to your father like this. These are the form of power sharing. हर किसी को different power दिया हुआ है, तो वहां पे हमें फैमिली में अच्छा लगता है. if power may be handled by only one person, so sometime he or she misuse the power. So in this chapter we will discuss the example of power sharing. How to the Belgium and Sri Lanka use the power sharing or not. तो बेल्जियम एग्जांपल हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिगार्डिंग द पावर शेयरिंग. डिफरेंट पीपल आर लिविंग इन बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका आल्सो. You know different ratio is given in your book. Number of people who are using the different language spoken, means like a French language, Dutch language, whatever language, German language they are using in Belgium. We will discuss Sri Lanka, Buddhist, Sinhala language, Tamil language. Different organizations are living, different people are living in different areas. In our country, different people are living. In southern part they spoke different language, Kannada, Malayalam, Kerala, like this. In the northern India part we spoke Hindi language, like some Bihari, you know, Nagaland. Different language, linguistic group are living in our country. So when we share the power, they may be made their language as their official language in their state. So we are sharing the power to them. तो इट इज नॉट अ गिव द चांसेस फॉर द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. कभी भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होने के चांसेस नहीं होंगे जब हम पावर शेयर करेंगे. जैसे हम क्लास विद शेयर द पावर, जैसे क्लास कैप्टन है, डिसिप्लिन इंचार्ज है, यू नो हाउस टू रिलेटेड हाउस इंचार्जेस है, sanitation in charge, like this different organization, different organs, we are sharing the power. तो इसमें अच्छा होता है किसी भी कंट्री, किसी भी ऑर्गन्स के लिए पावर शेयरिंग. तो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट, वी हैव डिस्कस ऑलरेडी अर्लियर about the Belgium and the Sri Lanka. So you know Belgium composition is given in your book. 59% Dutch spoken population are living, 40% French spoken, and 1% are German. So these are the form of power sharing. Just a bit here. So we have discussed the example of Belgium. So different populations are living which are using the different language or spoke the different language, or in capital that ratio was totally different. 80% speak French language or 20% Dutch language. So that was the composition of Belgium. So as it in Sri Lanka, different people are living. Okay, so we will learn from the book whatever ratio. But in this Belgium has shared the power. Means equal number of ministers are represented inside the Belgium. There is the another form of government also in Belgium, like a community form of government where the education to related, religion to related discussion taken by the different people who are members of such government. But Sri Lanka has no use such model. श्रीलंका के अंदर पावर शेयरिंग नहीं होती. श्रीलंका जस्ट अपोजिट क्या करता है, यू नो, सेनली बिकम ए ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज बना देता है सेनली को. तो देयर इज द डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन द बोथ रिलीजन, दोज पीपल हु आर यूजिंग द डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज तमिल एंड सेनली. तो मेनी टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड हियर थ्रू दिस केस स्टडी बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका, if we are unable to share our power in proper way, so it will give the scope for conflict inside a nation. So in this chapter that story is given, or this time CBSE decided asking question on the basis of case study, and this was the accommodation in Belgium where equal number of Dutch and French speaking ministers are equal. That was the Belgium model. Special laws become a need the majority from each language group. Special laws are made which can't dominate the minority group. State government are not made subordinate to the central government. So it was the Belgium model where the state government are not subordinate answerable to the central government, or a separate government in the Brussels capital, equal representative for the both linguistic group and equal representative from the different. No matter कि वो 80% है or whatever 20%, equal representative. So it is the model of power sharing in Belgium. No matter कि वो 20% ratio तो भी number of representative are equal, same है. So it is the model of power sharing. Or third form of government also inside the Belgium, that is the community government elected by Dutch, French and German speaking people is changed, and it take the decision related to cultural, educational and religion to related. So that is the power sharing. अब why power sharing is required? क्वेश्चन आता है कि why is the power sharing required? Power sharing क्यों चाहिए? There are the two reasons given in your book. One is the moral duty. It is the moral duty to share the powers, and another one, if we share the power to the different groups, so there is no such chances for the conflict. तो reduce the possibility of the conflict. जितना ज़्यादा हम power sharing करेंगे, it reduce the conflict. Chances for conflict first. That's why power sharing required. Prevent the group from the different conflict. Where the when we share the power, not share. So sometimes what happen, majority may be dominate the minority. Those people who are in majority in the form of language, in the form of religion, those populations are in majority. They may be dominate. They may be make the such laws which are beneficial for them only. Okay, so that's why power sharing required. Or it is our moral duty to share the powers. So we have discussed the both case study inside the chapter. Later on, different form of power sharing, different form of power sharing in India. So in India, power shares among the different social group, where the social group maybe create the pressure on the government by rallies, by chakkajam, by organizing the meeting, like a Dori system to related, Daise related, and any issues related to marriage or like. तो सब social group तो India में what are the different forms, what are the different organs where we are sharing the power. So one example is the pressure group. Another one example, different organs of the government. So power sharing in our country between the central government, between the state government and local government. हमारे कंट्री में पावर शेयरिंग होती है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड लोकल गवर्नमेंट. ओके, अनदर वन पावर शेयरिंग इज द बिटवीन लेजिस्लेशन, जुडिशरी एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव. तो इन दिस वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द वर्टिकल एंड ओरिजेंटल पावर शेयरिंग, which form is known as the vertical power sharing and horizontal power sharing. So in this chapter we have discussed about that. So second one is the horizontal and vertical power sharing example, where we are sharing the power among the different form of government, among the different organs of the government. We are sharing the powers. Another one example, political parties, where we are sharing the powers among the different political party, lead the competition. Sometime if any one political party unable to form the government, so power share among the different political group, different political party, where the government are formed by coalition, गठबंधन गवर्नमेंट जिसको बोलते हैं, coalition government. So we are sharing the power in political form also in our country. We are sharing the power in the different social group as the different organization. They have made the different organization like a linguistic group. If there is the such issues, maybe regarding their language, linguistic group or whatever, so they maybe raise their issues. We are sharing power among the different levels of the government we have discussed. So these are the power sharing where we are sharing. So I am repeating, power shared among the pressure group, power share among the different levels of government, power share among the different organs of government, power share among the different linguistic group, power share among the political party. So in this form we are sharing the powers, and power share is the good example where we can reduce the chances for conflict, or that is the power sharing. Which are the important questions from this chapter? Tomorrow we will discuss, and tomorrow we will continue with the next chapter, dear. So whatever information earlier I have given, please. Okay, dear. Tomorrow onwards we will start the new chapter. Today we will discuss about the power sharing.